Hi guys, my name is Bittu Kumar. I am from Bihar and I am gonna challenge 30 days English speaking class. In 30 days, I will speak English front of people and I will speak English front of camera because in this time I cannot speak English very fluency and I can speak English little bit. And in this time I am doing practice many time, and in this time I don't have time because sometimes I have to work in a company and I have to work in a my personal work. In this time there are a lot of work in my situation, but in this time I don't know anything. Only I think I will improve my English communication skills. I have to focus one thing. In 30 days I will speak English front of camera. And in 30 days, because in this time I am preparing for international call center, and after 30 days I will work in international call center. But in this time I can't speak English fluency, and in this time there is one problem because there are many time mistake pronunciation problem, because I belong to Bihar and there are many people this problem face. And I in this time I am making many mistake in a grammar and sentence making. But first I will upload on a YouTube video and Instagram, then I will check my video what did you mistake in this video, then I will write every correct video and I will. So thank you so much, please upload in this video, please share this video, because in this time I don't have an environment, I don't have an English friend. But I will upload on a YouTube video and I will talk to myself, I will talk to on a on a mirror, and I will improve my communication skills top level. Because I know one thing, I want to learn English, and if I will learn English not normal, I will learn English fluency top level. My Guruji said, if you want to learn anything, you should learn, you need to become a 1% person, then you can change your life very easily. Life is all about learning, and I learned many things about my gurus and every people. And because I am a quick learner and I can learn anything, because I thank you so much. And please share this video, please like this video. Thank you so much.